And then we'll quickly jump into OI charts. OI charts will tell you basically simple. It's like a bar representation of OI, call and put both. If you want to see this thing, it has a PCR, max pain, and everything. So this is for them. And then you have OI history. Someone who likes to see a historical comparison of OI on the X day and Y day, as against like if you want to compare on the Friday from the Monday, then you can see it. So you can just select a date every time you want to see. Recent being the 12th June, which was yesterday on Friday. If you want to compare on the previous day, so the base date would be actually your comparison date. So whichever date you want to compare, you can do it. You will get the you know addition of put and reduction of calls and so on and so forth. And you will also see the structure. If you come down, this is an important part for you to focus on where the put writing is happening. Currently, what we see is a huge put writing which happened on Friday as against Thursday. So which means over the weekend we have gone bullish. Monday, unless if we have anything drastic news, we might be able to see a good continuation rally. And if it opens gap down, then we will see a recovery. Okay. You can also see a table format if you want to, particular strike wise. There's option, but better I think look is chart wise. Whoever wants anything, they can look at that way. Now, what I have done is for those people who don't have a time to see market every day, but they want to see a summarized way of index or any particular stock as per the OI or any price action happened during the day. So this is a screen for them. If you click on the EOD analysis, it will give you the brief summary of particular index or stock, whichever you want. So like if you see right now index, so it will give you a good summary of what PCR change, what is the expiry ahead, etc., etc. It's a very, very good summary if you want to see, and then you can also see activity of call and put that happened during the day. If in particular you want to see, it's very a good representation. Like you see, CE unwinding happen of 23,200. People who were shorted on the calls, they have covered a lot. Those who there's some short buildup which has happened on the higher strikes, which is 24,700 and so on and so forth. So if Monday, but these are very far. Nothing because I don't want. I am not sure we will see 24,700 that easy next week. But yeah, this is just for those far OTM writers. What I want to focus on is the latest support, which is a nearby. Now, if you see this new support buildup, which happened on Friday, you see all the strikes are very near, which means what? Even on the Friday, we had a good support built up around 23,500, which is why we have a max pain shifted to 23,500. You see, it's a huge 73 lakhs put added. What I want to see where there's a resistance that is getting built up nearby. So currently, there's still people who are writing and have a writing on 23,500. So if we open gap down, they will benefit. And again, if this writing continues around 23,500, then we will see a recovery and we will go past that. So this is the summary. If you want to see, this is helpful for those who are doing they do EOD